Hey everyone! Let's dive into a question that's been popping up more and more. Do AI content detectors actually work? And if they do, which one's the best at spotting AI-generated content? With AI writing showing up everywhere, think college essays, marketing blogs, you name it, this feels super relevant now. By the end of this video, you'll get the scoop on how these tools operate, why some totally miss the mark, and which ones keep coming out on top when we push them to the test. There's a ton of buzz around AI detection these days. Some companies are out here swearing their tools are flawless, while OpenAI is like, nah, these detectors don't even work. Truth is, it's not that cut and dry. What really bugs me is how many of these companies toss around 99% accuracy like it's nothing, with zero proof to back it up. It's gotten so sketchy that even the FTC's jumped in, calling out these overhyped claims. That's why I'm all about real testing, not just flashy sales pitches. So, how do these AI detectors actually work their magic? There are three main approaches, and they're not created equal. First up is feature-based analysis, the digital equivalent of looking for fingerprints. These detectors hunt for patterns like word repetition, unnatural sentence structure, or weird punctuation habits. Cheap and fast? Yes. Easily fooled by sophisticated AI like ChatGPT-4? Also yes. One clever prompt, and these detectors often miss the mark completely. The second approach is zero-shot detection, where one AI essentially tries to recognize its own kind, like asking, does this sound like something I would write? It's easier to build, but has a major weakness. Paraphrased content slips right through its net. The third and most sophisticated approach uses fine-tuning. Here, massive language models are fed millions of examples of both human and AI writing until they can spot the difference. This method delivers the best results, but it's computationally expensive and needs consistent updating as AI writing tools evolve. One challenge in testing these tools is defining what should count as AI content. This isn't as straightforward as you might think. Consider the different scenarios. Pure AI-generated text is obviously AI content. But what about human-written text that's heavily edited by AI? Or content that starts with an AI outline but then gets significant AI editing assistance? Most experts would classify these as AI-generated too. The gray area emerges with human-written content that's lightly edited with AI tools. Think about using Grammarly to fix your grammar and spelling. Is that AI content? This is where detection results start to vary and things get a bit fuzzy. On the other end of the spectrum, content that uses AI just for research but is written entirely by humans should be classified as original human work. The same goes for content written and edited solely by humans with no AI assistance. So, how do we cut through marketing claims and find out which detector actually works best? The Originality team tackled this by creating something remarkable, an open source benchmark dataset and testing tool that anyone can use to verify their results. This isn't your standard test data. They assembled challenging samples from GPT-3, 4, and ChatGPT, and various paraphrasing tools alongside verified human content. The key here is they focus on adversarial settings, essentially the hard mode of AI detection where the content is specifically designed to fool detectors. Their testing approach is refreshingly fair. Every detector receives identical tests with no formatting advantages. The testing tool then automatically crushes the numbers on accuracy, false positive rates, and F1 scores, which balance precision and recall. No cherry-picking results, no hidden methodology, just transparent, reproducible testing. Here's a crucial point. That single accuracy percentage many companies tout is virtually meaningless on its own. To truly evaluate these tools, we need a more sophisticated approach with multiple metrics. Think of it this way. A true positive rate reveals when the detector successfully identifies AI content. A true negative rate indicates instances where it correctly recognizes human writing. But perhaps most important is the false positive rate. What percentage of human content gets incorrectly labeled as AI? This is where many detectors fail terribly, potentially causing serious problems for innocent writers. The F1 score is where things get interesting. It combines precision and recall into one balanced measurement. It's like the GPA of AI detection, giving you a single number that truly reflects overall performance. When you look at a confusion matrix, those squares, those grids in the testing results, you're seeing the complete picture. True positive, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives, all laid bare. This transparency is what separates real analysis from marketing hype. Now, for the moment of truth. the results. Across multiple data sets and testing scenarios, one tool consistently dominated the competition: originality. The numbers tell a striking story. In the challenging adversarial dataset test, Originality scored an F1 of 0.975, while the next best competitor, Winston.ai, managed only 0.520, not even close. Popular tools like ChatGPT-0, Content at Scale, and Copy Leaks scored between 0.329 and 0.342, less than half as effective. What makes Originality's performance truly impressive isn't just detecting AI content, it's the balance. Some competitors achieve low false positive rates through a simple trick. They rarely flag anything as AI. That's like a smoke detector that never goes off. Technically low false alarms, but useless when there's actually a fire. For different use cases, Originality offers two specialized models. Turbo 3.0.1 delivers 99% plus accuracy with a false positive rate around 3%, perfect when you need to catch every instance of AI content. Meanwhile, Lite 1.0.0 maintains 98% accuracy with remarkably low false positive rate under 1%, ideal for academic settings where false accusations could have serious consequences. So, do AI content detectors work? The answer is nuanced. Yes, some do work remarkably well, but effectiveness varies dramatically between tools, and none are perfect. Based on rigorous testing across multiple datasets, Originality consistently outperformed the competition, balancing high detection rates with minimal false positives. What gives these results credibility isn't marketing claims, it's transparency. The testing methodologies and complete results are publicly available. Better yet, the testing tools themselves are open sourced, allowing anyone to verify these findings or run tests on their own datasets. If AI content detection matters to your organization, whether for academic integrity, content marketing, or publishing, choosing the right tool makes all the difference. Just remember that even the best detectors should supplement human judgment rather than replace it entirely. This technology continues to evolve in the ongoing cat-and-mouse game between AI content generation and detection. The best tools will be those that adapt quickly and maintain transparency about their capabilities and limitations. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, hit subscribe for more evidence-based reviews of emerging AI technologies.